Figured I'd show you before I go. Skirt and things that I do not remember where I grow. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Hope, in case you don't know. Today is kind of a special day. It was my birthday a few days ago, and unfortunately for me, I had to work the whole day and then I got sick the day after. You can probably still hear it a little bit in my throat, but I feel so much better. It was not the best birthday, so I decided to do a little do-over birthday this year and celebrate it today. The plan is to just do a bunch of little girly things, go get a pastry, get a matcha, go thrifting a little bit. Cassidy's gonna be with me today to celebrate, which is super fun. Tomorrow we're celebrating her birthday. Our birthdays are 5 days apart, which is it's just so fun to have that with one of your really good friends. I think that my dear friend Chic might come over for a movie and wine night and paint night later. Not 100% sure, but that is kind of an idea for the future. I just got done getting ready for the day, took Momo on a little walk, and we're about ready to go over to Cassidy's. I also wanted to show you guys, my mom and my dad, so sweet. They sent me a little bouquet of flowers for my birthday. And they gave me this cute little note with it. I actually woke up the day after my birthday and there was a knock on the door and I was like, what is happening? And I woke up to this gorgeous little flower delivery. And fun fact, I've actually never received a bouquet of flowers before, which is just so sweet. To just like have like a flower delivery like that made me feel so special. I loved it. It was a very, very, very good feeling for sure. So I love you, Mom and Dad. Before I go, I figured I'd show you my outfit. I'm wearing my rag and bone pants, below the belt. This is a really old turtleneck. I don't remember the brand of it. This is the thrifted leather jacket. I think these are Thursday boots, little booties, and then my thrifted Coach bag. And then these are glasses that I got custom made when I was in Asia. I love them. I have two different pairs, but it doesn't have a little centerpiece right here. It's just this top piece that connects it, and I really like the style. It's kind of like a brownish. Oh, and then I also had little custom made earrings when I was in Taiwan. I love this artist. Really fun story. On my birthday 3 years ago, my last birthday in Taiwan, so 2 years ago, the person that I was with celebrated my birthday. They gave me like a little surprise and took me to this kind of little market, kind of like a farmer's market-esque, but a Taiwan version. And there is this artist, and I loved her earrings so much. She had several like this, but not this color, so I asked if she could custom make me this color, and she did, and they're just the most beautiful earrings that I own. I love these. I love these so much. They're ceramic. I love them so much that I actually don't travel with them because I'm scared they're gonna break. But this is the outfit for today. Figured I'd show you before I go. Okay, we're with Cassidy and we're at the Denver Central Market. It's one of like my favorite little places to get pastries and all the yummy goodness. I actually have a friend who works in the chocolate shop and I'm wondering if he's gonna be there today. If not, we're just gonna be getting some yummy little pastries and probably maybe like an espresso martini or something to kick off birthday celebration and pre-thrifting. Cassidy's pulling up her car, so we're going there in a few seconds. We just had a few drinks. We got some really yummy pastries. We were so infatuated with our conversation. It was just the best feeling ever to sit down and talk with one of your best friends on like so many different topics. This is exactly what I wanted for my birthday. It's been so fun. Now I think you made the transition. We're going back to the car. Hi. It's been such a good birthday.
I look like Rudolph.
No, you don't. Just because it's cold outside doesn't make you Rudolph.
My nose is red.
It's actually not. Do you guys think her nose is red? It's not. If anything, mine is red because I've been blowing my nose all day. Do we want to go thrifting?
Yeah.
I kind of want to go thrifting for some living room stuff.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah?
What time
We're
is
going thrifting. Let's go. Okay, we're at the thrift store and have like a few little jackets that I think could potentially be something good. But today is just not really an it day. You know when you go thrifting and it's just not, there's nothing good? Today's one of those days. So I'm not sure if we're gonna go home with anything good, but I will keep you guys updated on it. So far I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm gonna try these on and then we can skedaddle.
Big sexy mama, girls soccer.
I like this one, but it's just way too oversized for me. I kind of like this one. I don't think it's gonna be warm enough, and it's actually a very soft knit, so it's not even jean. I think this is also gonna be a skip, but I do kind of like it. Cassidy says she loves this. I do kind of like the fit.
It's like a jean jacket blazer.
Yeah, and I've been kind of wanting one. I just don't know if it's the right size. It's too big, so it's gonna be a no. I like suede, but I feel like it's a little bit too big for a jacket. Like just a little bit too long. Since I'm so petite, it's hard to find a good length on a jacket, especially in a thrift shop. Hello, hi. Hello, hi. Hi, my baby. Oh, you so happy mommy's home. I'm home for my day out with Cassidy. We just ordered Chinese food. So excited about that. I picked up Momo. Gonna be changing into some pajamas. I'm gonna bring some of my art supplies over and we're gonna listen to music, eat our dinner, and paint, and I'm gonna bring Momo over. It's been such a fun little birthday. Kind of exactly how I want to spend my birthday, just with my friends. I didn't get anything at the thrift shop. I was a little bit disappointed with what was there. I went outside of the city, which I've heard is a lot better, but I was disappointed. I was very disappointed with what was there. It was very unorganized. They didn't have any sort of dedicated area for anything. It was all mixed and matched. I think probably because today is Sunday. Usually I think thrift shops are a little bit extra chaotic, and it was also at the end of the day. It was like 6 when we went in. They closed at 8. This little boy is so excited to be home. I hate leaving him. I hate leaving my baby boy. But we're gonna go change into the pajamas and go paint and eat our dinner. Probably wash my face just a little bit because I don't really feel like wearing makeup anymore. Just wearing a little bit. Oh, also, I have a little Amazon package. Figured I'd show it to you. I have an idea on what's inside, but I'm not 100% sure, so I was right. I don't know if I said so earlier, but I'm getting into tennis. I'm so excited. These are the tennis shoes that I ended up really liking when I went to this tennis store. And on Amazon, they were on sale. And I just think they're so beautiful. I really, really like this light kind of greenish. I've been trying to shy away from white. However, I just really loved the way that these felt. I tried a few on in the store. These felt the best on my feet. I really like the little detail right here. And then, of course, like the little green tints on it. I love these. And then also, I have to show you my tennis racket. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I was not expecting to be obsessed with this green color. I think it's just so beautiful. It's a Head Hydro Pro Extreme, I think, Extreme Team. It's very lightweight. I have super tiny hands, super tiny hands. And so when I went in and felt the grip on it, it just feels, it feels so good to just, because my friend, I was practicing on theirs and it was just very heavy. This is a lot lighter. You don't want it too light, but this is light enough for my babiness over here. I could have strung it the same color as the rod, but I kind of enjoyed the contrast of the black because there's some black letters, like you can see it says Head right here. I liked the black with the green. I felt like it fit, but it's so beautiful. I know it's freezing and it's not really season to be playing tennis, but I really want to get into tennis. It's always been a sport I've been interested in, and I have a friend who's relatively good at it. They're pretty good at teaching too. So I'm gonna be a little tennis girl, and I'm very excited. Very excited. This was like a little bit of a birthday gift to me. This and the shoes. With that, I'm gonna change into my pajamas, head over to Cassidy's, and eat our food and paint. It's Monday, it's Cassidy's birthday. I got us some lunch, kind of dinner reservations at a really nice restaurant for us today. I already got her a big gift, which was her own guitar. She's been wanting to learn it for a while, so I got her that. I'm gonna run down, get her a little bouquet of flowers. I have a birthday card already. Little boy, he needs to go to the bathroom first, and then we'll head over to Cassidy's. Also, here's the outfit for today. Of course, I'm wearing my Steve Madden boots. These are my favorite thing ever. I have Sheertex tights on. I have a mango skirt, Mossimo top. I love this top. I got it, I think either at the beginning of this year or end of last year. I'm wearing these earrings that I do not remember where I got them from, and then also these glasses. No idea where I got them from. I do have a jacket that I'm wearing, which you all know what it is. My classic leather. I just am obsessed with this jacket. I feel like it puts every outfit together splendidly. So there we go. It's a whole birthday weekend. Well, birthday weekend for Cassie and I, as in Sunday, Monday are days off this week. So yeah. Okay guys, wish Cassidy happy birthday. I love that our birthdays are so close.
I know, it's so
nice.
nice.
I love it, but we're spending today celebrating Cassidy.
I'm big 26.
26. We're 26. Isn't that wild?
I know, it's like gross to think about a little bit. My mom goes, you know, you're closer to 30 than you are 20. Like 4 years.
We didn't need to hear that, okay?
You know,
that's not something you need to tell somebody on their
30.
birthday.
I'm excited to be 30.
I feel like I'm gonna be a boss and powerful when I'm 30. Fingers crossed. That's my goal. I just want to be so confident and secure.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
I can't imagine what I'll be like.
I can kind of imagine you as a 30-year-old.
Well, I feel 30 already.
You are not.
I act like a 30-year-old.
You're too fun to be a 30-year-old.
Maybe I'll be a fun 30-year-old.
Yeah. But happy birthday, Cassidy!
Yay!